Welkom in Seoul! Hello! Oh my god, that's the... Hello! We're currently in a cafe in Chang, and we're about to go to the Hanbok village, or Hanok village, which is a very ancient village. But currently we're just enjoying a very good lemonade. It's super
lemonade.
Fresh. It's very refreshing. So yeah, this is our first day here, and we're just enjoying it. So we're in a Hanbok village, or no, Hanok village. Sorry for mispronouncing any names. We're following this route together with family, and are planning on hopefully maybe trying on a hanbok. Culture. We continued on that road, and then we also visited a very nice palace which had a secret garden. We are at the moment in a palace. We're currently, I don't know the name of this palace, but it's what she said. Ik ben te moe om te vloggen.
Oh my god, geen smoesjes bedenken.
Nou, doe jij het dan. Today was a very good day.
A very busy day.
But we survived. It was nice to get to know Seoul like this, because we took the subway for the first time. There we had to buy a T money card for that, which is the Elaiza. Ta-da! It's super cute.
And so are you.
Which is the public transport card, and you're supposed to charge it at a convenience store, and then you just use it for the subway.
The trees and the scents, those were so... And the water, and also the buildings that they were.
And the sky, and the sun. Shut up! And the birds. And everything was just very pretty. Very different compared to what we're used to, since we're from...
Dutchy! Oh, we didn't even
introduce ourselves.
Anyway,
My name is Marisa.
my name is Elaiza.
We're in
Very.
Namsan Seoul Tower.
Yeah, above there, that's the tower.
This is our second day here. Behind me there's a big tower, and we're just looking out over the city right now. It's so pretty. I will show you in a minute. But we just walked from our hotel towards an elevator, and then we took the cable cart up the mountain or hill. I don't know. Everything's a mountain here because we're Dutchies. But look at our view. It's amazing.
Somewhere over there, Gangnam.
No, Gangnam is behind us, isn't it?
No.
funny thing is, we will have a K-pop day later, somewhere this week. But my little sister told me before this trip, I'm not that big of a fan of NCT or, you know, K-pop. I'm not such a K-pop stan at all. And now that we're here, she couldn't stop talking about it, and now she got these postcards.
She's got these. It's just amazing.
So
this is Taeyong, and I got Marky. And he reminds me of my sister.
thanks.
Yay!
Let's stay here. Let's stay here in
So our hotel was situated in Myeongdong, and from there you could take the bus or the subway to get around all of Seoul. It was super easy to navigate, and I really recommend you to use public transport. It was clean, easy accessible, and yeah, just a lot of fun. Hi! We're currently in the COEX Aquarium, and this is day 3 of South Korea. This is so amazing. I've never seen an aquarium like this before. It's so into theme and everything is so big. Whoa, I see so many cool stuff. I am too. So this is COEX Mall. It's very famous for, you know, the luxury brands, hairdressers. we kind of took a hair spa as well as a little cut at a hairdresser, you know, hair. It was an amazing experience. What you just saw is the library, and we're just heading back after a good day of shopping, back to the subway to go back to our hotel and have dinner.
Wow. Welcome to the vlog. We are
Day 4 in a figure museum.
It's a random figure museum trip. These things are so huge. Like, if you don't think it's huge, it's huger.
Look at my hand. Oh, that was closer. It's that big.
Keep it up.
It's that big. It's that big.
Yes. Okay, we got it. I don't know how they stand.
Oh my god!
What? Oh, Marvel! Yikes!
수없이 외로웠던 밤을 이 작은 손에 닿기 위해 얼마나 달려왔는지 널 잠 못 들게 하는 손 내 내가 다 가져갈게 반짝이는 눈 강아지 밟고 터질 듯한
Today is our cable day. Well,
Yes, this whole day is dedicated to finding cable vitals because I like them a lot and I've been a fan from them since I was very young, and today I wanted to see the buildings because I like it so much and hopefully maybe try to find or see cable vitals, but they're very hard to find.
I'm just being the very supportive sister, the chaperone, the picture maker, the calming down, the drinking holder. Elaiza had planned this route in Gangnam, and it included lots of K-pop stuff, such as these cute little statues, billboards in the subway, and the buildings of SM Entertainment and GYP. But of course we didn't see any of those idols because we're blind as fuck.
Found them, kind of. We found them, like the hands.
We found their hands.
Here they are, all of the K-pop idols' hands, and there are NCT hands. My sister has the same size of Mark's hands. It's insane. Almost. It's insane.
Here.
Yeah.
Bijna.
NCT, and we found them. And this is EXO, Baekhyun, Jin, Kai, Duo, Sehun, Taekyeol, and Jimin. And here we have Super Junior hands, also one of my favorites.
Walk more towards that side, you can find the Gangnam hands.
Gangnam Style. Oh my god, that's the...
오빤 Gangnam Style.
We recommend you to buy a portable Wi-Fi so that you can have Wi-Fi all the time because we are struggling so much to find Wi-Fi.
It's not easy navigating when you're virtually blind. You can make screenshots from Naver. That's how we're traveling, and it's working.
Also download Naver so you can find everything that you need, especially with the trams, metro, and the buses. It's perfect to use it.
So here's something very funny. We wanted to check out this building,
But we got distracted.
but we got distracted by this, and we have no idea what it is. It looks very cool though, so
It's cultural based. I love it so much.
Good morning! We're right now in the bus on our way to Bukhansan National Park. Doesn't look crampy, but it is. Look, there's something in the inside. I have no idea what it is.
Let me explain, I cannot do this in just in a day 이렇게도 난 너에게 갈래 I know that you will be feeling the same 여보주 말해 아니 Monday 시간이 부족해도 We just keep moving along I just tried to make you a song
Hello! Oh, I zoomed in. This is Gyeongbokgung Palace. This is one of the biggest palaces in Seoul.
I think also the royal one.
It's a royal palace. It's very well preserved. I mean, look at it. It's amazing. Everyone is wearing hanbok. It looks so cute. It's very cool to see.
I've been listening to you all along Put it to my face I just feel amazing every day and night Make me feel alive
Mom!
Thank you for your love, yeah
Mooi hè? Love you too.
I hate you so much.
Okay.